And the other very important thing that I do as a ritual every morning is oil pulling. So I take at least 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, and I basically roll it around my mouth in between my teeth. It looks really funny. So I do this for like a good 7 to 10 minutes.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Thursday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I think your mental state, a balanced mental state, is very difficult, but it's very essential to get and to remain sane and focused on what you want to do versus why didn't I get that? I know why I didn't get it and move on.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I remember there was a kitty going on and these women smirked, and I don't know what it is with people being so insensitive. I remember them very clearly saying, "Oh my God, isn't that Shilpa Shetty? She still has a weight." And I was barely it was barely 4 months after I had delivered, you know.
Watch Dear Mom every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Like, I was from a film family, I would have not had to reach out. That will obviously be there. But I think after a while, it's your work that speaks. It doesn't make a difference. Initially, yes, it does. I've done things where I've gone with my manager to a mall. And she's helped me like pick up clothes to go for meetings.
Watch The Untold Story every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
तुझे नवाबों के अंदाज नहीं पता।
नवाबों की शक्ल नहीं, अकल और मिजाज होता है।
फिर तो हम भी नवाब हैं।
वाकई में कसम का?
हाँ, अगर झूठ बोलूं तो तू मर जाए। बात बनती नजर आ रही है। तुम कितनी खूबसूरत हो।
जमीला, तो बाबा हमने देखी ही नहीं।
तुम्हें देख के क्या करनी है? तुम तो अल्लाह वाले हो।
बाबा दिल वाला भी तो है ना।
Watch Korangi Ke Satrangi Sunday to Thursday 5:45 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
How much did you guys fight when you guys were kids? Did you ever fight?
Malla and me? Oh my God! That's a different show by itself.
Watch No More Secrets every Saturday 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
My eyes were searching for India. My eyes were searching. एक Indian flag मिल जाए तो, you know how I'll feel. I'll feel so proud. My grandmother lost her life when she was 22, and today I'm 22 in front of you, representing my incredible country. I couldn't be much more prouder. Something I learned from the pageant that it's never the most beautiful girl that wins.
Watch Star Talk every Thursday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
भेज देंगे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट। बिल्कुल भेज दो भाई, बिल्कुल।
तुझे क्या लगता है कि तुम पुरानी फिल्मों के हीरो मैं इम्प्रेस हो जाऊंगी?
कहाँ चौचगिरी कर रहा है तू कौवे के औलाद? आओ जी विनी।
वो जी पड़ोसी है। आज राखी बांध के तेरा दी एंड कर
भाई झंड होगी तेरी तो। किस तो दे दो। फ्रेंच वाली।
तेरी तो।
Watch Behan Hogi Teri 22nd March Monday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मेरे घर चलोगे कॉफी पीने के लिए?
Some other time. I have a flight to catch.
बादशाह तेरे साथ। Kill them.
आशा है कि आपकी यात्रा सुखद रही।
Watch Agent Vinod 31st May Monday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I don't usually like to put foundation on my face for like an everyday routine, so I actually use a concealer. It's a liquid concealer, so it's actually easy to use. It's easy to put on. So you just put it on your under eye, and I'd actually tell you to wait for a minute because the best thing is it'll heat up because of the touch of your skin.
A good mascara. This is from Benefit. And guys who really wants a good mascara, this is your thing. I mean, Just go and buy it और आपको कभी भी fake lashes लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
So yeah, I wash my face. I use this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base after that. It's a really good moisturizing product. A light layer of this, not too much.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So at my home, I like to eat nachni roti. I've substituted roti, bread, etc. for nachni roti right now. So I eat all my meals with nachni roti.
I love food. I can't help it. Like, I live for food. I wake up for food. My breakfast, lunch, dinner is all about food. I have breakfast talking about lunch. I have lunch talking about dinner. Like, it's important to me when I go to a new city to find the best places to eat. Like, that's my jam.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Thursday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
The regular, like for lunch, dal, bhaji and my dahi is something that I regularly eat because I feel the stomach needs to remain cool. That's a lot of probiotics. So dahi is something which one should have if you don't have your hands on nariyal pani.
Usual day, I wake up and have a lot of water, followed by at least like 4 egg whites with a yolk of yellow and some fruit.
For dinner, I have dalia, porridge with a lot of fruits. And for snacks, I have fruits. And snacks के बीच में I have malai.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Wednesday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
इंसान का तो जब दिल चाहे किसी की जिंदगी से चला जाए, फिर एक दिन खुद ही वापस आके अपना हक जताने लगता है. रिदा जैसी सोलमेट हर किसी को नहीं मिलती और ना ही निम्रा जैसा जुनून हर लड़की की मोहब्बत में नजर आता.
मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ कि वो मुझसे शादी नहीं करना चाहता और तुम्हें लगता है कि वो मुझसे सच्ची मोहब्बत करता है.
उसने शादी से इनकार इसलिए किया होगा तुम्हारी इस गलती की वजह से तुम्हारी जिंदगी बर्बाद ना हो.
जो नजर में है वो शराब है, सच में छुपा कोई ख्वाब.
तुम्हारे दिल में जो मलिहा के लिए मोहब्बत है, मैं उसकी वाकई कदर करती हूँ, लेकिन शिराज वो तुमसे मोहब्बत नहीं करती.
अगर हम बर्बाद हो गए तो उसके हाथ में भी कुछ नहीं आएगा. एक ढेला उसके हाथ में नहीं आएगा.
किसी पर रहम नहीं खाना माही. जंग में दुश्मन पर रहम खाने वाला ना खुद काबिले रहम बन जाता है.
कितना बड़ा मर्द का बच्चा है, देखो कासे को सच बोल रहा हूँ. चिपका दे, जान से मार दूंगा.
किसे दाए तबार ना करी, दिल में दाए रो रो दुआएं.
इस ज़मीं और इस आसमां से जहाँ ना वक्त ना तुम्हारे मेरे सिवा कोई.
True love happens once in a lifetime.
एक जज्बा कि तुम मुझ में और मैं तुम में.
And it takes a lifetime to understand. Watch Mosam 4th February, Thursday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Really good mascara. I don't really need to ever apply lashes.
So whenever I step out of the house, guys, so what I do is I have this tint with me. So I use it for my cheeks, I use it for my lips, and I'm done.
I love looking contoured, so it kind of just like blends in yummily instead of powder.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Who is most likely to embarrass a friend in public?
गौरव.
Really?
Yeah. क्यों जब हम फ्लाइट में जाते हैं सारे सब साथ में होते हैं he does that.
ऊंचा नहीं बोली.
Watch Star Talk every Thursday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.